We're at the Factory 5 booth at SEMA, and we're taking a look at half of a Shelby Cobra. Check out the rake of that radiator. I never realized that. Coilover suspension. This one has a Blueprint engines, 427, small block Ford in it. Blueprint engine makes their own castings, so it's much cheaper than buying an engine straight from Ford, I know. T5 transmission here. See some aluminum suspension components there. More coilovers. Guess it never occurred to me where the battery was on a Shelby Cobra. You'd think they could mount it lower. A little over almost 21 grand for the kit. Under 2,500 pounds. I've never driven one of these, but I'd love to. And we also have a Daytona coupe here. Love the lines of this car. This one is sporting a Coyote with a Whipple supercharger on it. Last year I had the chance to meet, what's his name? Pete Brock, the guy that designed this. He was here. I think this is a 32 Ford that they also sell. It says this one has a Hemi in it. I heard a good comment about Cobras one time. It said, Cobras are like tits. Even the fake ones are pretty cool. The Coyote powered one. Man, this Daytona, this paint, ooh, it's popping. I'm liking this one. Again, Coyote powered. It's pretty cramped inside, but I think I could manage.